So just showing you here where I have completely split my nail, and it's a little bit far up, so I don't want to take the nail off, I want to repair it. So using a buffer, I am going to take off the top coat of the nail, the glossy shine, using, I think it's a 180 grit buffer. But you just want to be gentle with it. It looks like I'm going quite hard, but it's only because I've sped the video up. You just want to be very gentle, not to actually buff into the nail. So just that shiny coat. Now I'm using the express remover to get the nails off. I didn't go through the removal process because I have another video for that, but I'm just showing you just to be careful when you do get to that sort of sliced bit of nail, that you do get all the polish off around it, but just be very gentle not to tear it even more. So you can see the finished bit there. Now I'm going to show you how to use a tea bag to repair the nail. So just grab any old tea bag, empty it out, obviously. Then just cut off a small piece of the tea bag. Just big enough to sort of go over the crack, and then a little bit more just for a little bit of support. Just testing it to see if it's going to go over it, and yep, that's fine. Put that aside. Now I'm going to just give it a light buff. That's a very fine buffer, so I'm just giving it a light buff so that the tea bag will adhere to it with a bit of glue. So just using a nail glue, basically you can get that in any like nail tips, or you can just get the glue on its own. You can get it from pretty much anywhere that sells false nails. And then just using some tweezers, I'm just putting that nail size piece of tea bag that I cut out, and I'm just putting it over the crack, and I'm doing it lengthways, or widthways, sorry, so that you can sort of push it right across and give it that little bit of extra support. So just push a little bit, a big enough piece to go over a little bit extra of the nail. And I'm just pushing it down. I'm just putting a little bit more glue just so that it can secure that down, and then put the glue over the rest of the tea bag. Obviously you want it all to stick to the nail. Don't worry if it looks a bit rough at this stage, it will smooth out. So just cover all the tea bag. Just push it down. If there's any lifting, just push it down to the nail so that it sticks. And let it dry. Once it's dry, you're going to give it another light buff just to remove any sort of lumps or bumps that it might have created with the glue. So again, you don't want to buff into your own nail, so only just buff on top very lightly of where you've placed the glue, just to smooth it out. And you can see there the tear's been repaired. It's not lifting at all, and it feels very smooth, so there's no bumps or lumps in there. Smooth, and it's ready to apply polish.